Homeowners, this will save you money. Install some kind of weed liner, tarp, cloth, whatever, so you don't have to constantly keep seeing weeds. And what we did on this job was, client wanted these weeds dug out. You can't mow over them; it'll just spread seeds and germinate. Here's a simple job we did out in Round Rock, Texas. Fresh mulch in these little flower bed areas, especially around this tree. That's actually Texas native organic hardwood mulch. It doesn't have no dye in it. The color retains all year round, so that's what I recommend, organic mulch. And one thing about me, I always go above and beyond with my clients. So do my guys. We remove weeds by the roots. Homeowners love this. You can't mow over them. You can't weed eat them and spread seeds. And most landscapers are not required to use any kind of sprays. So keep that in mind. We don't use sprays, pesticides, none of that kind of stuff.